Hello everyone. There are a number of learning management system software available. Moodle is one of them, but I want to introduce you one of the very interactive and interesting LMS learning management system, and this LMS is ck12.org. The basic difference between CK12 and Moodle is that CK12 provide readily available resources like quizzes, various simulations and exercise assignments. Another advantage of CK12 is that it is very interacting, very interesting. As the name mentioned here, CK12, it means it is from class kindergarten to 12th standard, but they have added various advanced classes as well. Let's understand first the CK12 Foundation. This is a California based non-profit organization. This provides the resources to the various schools of the USA. And this is free to use. It provides its services to the 38,000 schools in USA. This has been developed by two Indians named Neeru Khosla and Murugan Pal. Various resources also supported by NASA. Microsoft also supported this CK12 platform. So you can log in to the CK12 as a teacher or as a student. There are 126 million of the users of this CK12. They have a question bank of 680 million plus questions. Now the important question, what you can learn from this CK12 or can teach as a teacher from this CK12. So they have the subject from grade first to the college level. So these are the subjects available here: statistics, probability, economics, and other science and sociology topics also are available here. But you can create your customized subject as well. So now let's explore what are the resources or modality available in CK12. If you click on explore, you can able to see the various resources from this site. So one modality is the, you can see the open source books here. From that books you can make the customized books. Your schools or college can become a nodal body. Study guides, you can see various short notes here. Adaptive practices, you will see various, after each assignment you will get various questions bank. Simulations, various simulations are available here to physics and chemistry or science stream students. My favorite is Plex, where you can see various interactive tool which explain the concept more interactive manner. Then you can also explore the cafe where you can discuss the concept. Other are related with the math or general sciences. You can become a certified educator to this site. If you want to watch their webinar for any help is available here. Now I will explain you and what are the qualities of that subjects. If you click on the subjects, you will see the list of the all subjects here. Suppose I want to see the statistics subject. I'm clicking on statistics. Under that statistics, I can able to see the concept as well as the flex books here. As a concept from visualization of data till the statistical inference, there are various topics are available here. I will expand this all the topics. So you can able to see various types of topics from the descriptive stats to sampling methodology to standard deviation and normal distribution till you will find ANOVA and multiple regression as well. So see, this is a normal distribution concept. So you will find various subhead under this modality. So first one is that read. So read will give you a very crisp introduction of this concept. Next one is flex will give you understanding about this concept through the interactive way. If you see, so what are the confidence level will increase or decrease. So you can understand from this Plex this concept very easily. Apart from this reading, you have the various videos which are available on YouTube related to this topic. So this CK12 team has customized this videos for the better learning. Then you have the activities. Activities is general quick quizzes related to this concept. And then study aid provide short notes about this concept. Teacher want to teach this concept, so this is the lesson plan or teaching plan for the concept of the normal distribution. This is not only provide the teaching strategies and tips, what error we should avoid, and also a very interesting thing, it give the student psychology while learning also. So coming back to the modality of this concept normal distribution, now another two are the practices where you will find various quizzes related to this concept. And my favorite one, real world. The real world is basically a case study, which is very short, interesting case study related to this concept. So this way, students learn the one concept by different dimensions. Now coming to the classes. Now, if you click on this classes, then you will see you can create your own class, admit the student through the code. So by clicking here, you can create your own class, and then CK2 will provide you one code. You can share that code to the student and ask them to create the account on CK2L as a student. And while doing so, if he put that code into the CK2L, then he's automatically added to this resources. At NISM, I am teaching application of statistics to the securities market. So my aim is the student learn the concept of statistics, and also they can apply that concept in the investment decision making. I give them an assignment online through the CK12. Last 4 year I am using platform, and the feedback is very fantastic. Student like to do the assignment through the CK12. These are the my classes. So I will show you how it look like. Now I will show my current classes. So this NISM PGDM 2019-21 is my current classes. If I go to this current classes, then I will see the timeline of the various activity who have completed which assignment at what time. I can see the reports of that. I can arrange the discussion forum here. I can share the resources here. I can add or delete the members here. So now let's see the how to create the assignments here. So various concept assignments I have created and assigned. So for example, quickly I'm creating. So you have to select which subject you want to create. Suppose statistic inference on p-value. I want assignment on this, the p-value and that, and I am creating this on this four topics. I am creating the assignment. So remember, I have shown you the normal distribution and various modalities in normal distribution for the learning purpose, like a read, like plex, like case studies and all. So all this topic is containing that modalities. And after each concept, this CK12 asks them 10 or 20 questions whether they have understand that concept or not. So if I want to add quiz to this assignment, I can create that quiz also. So readily available the questions banks are there. You just have to pick the questions bank. You can do various setting here also. Create here. Suppose I want to add questions, so here again you have to say, so which question banks, from which question bank you want to add it. So suppose I want to add from statistics, so statistical inference, suppose hypothesis testing. So it's showing how many questions are available here. Like for on a p values, there are 222 questions are available here, which has been audited by the CK12 team. I'm selecting p-value. If you want to create new question also on this concept, you can create that question. You can configure the question also in that if you create this one, because they have divided all the question bank in the hard, medium, easy, difficulty level. They have segregated that. Type of question is also multiple choice or true or false, various kind of the or fill in the blanks, various kind of the questions are available here. Now if you want to see how this whole assignments look like, so this is the assignment which we have created, and if the students completed this three, then they have to prompted to this quiz number 3 hypothesis testing. Now let's see how the report of these assignments look like. So CK2 will provide very interactive reports of all the students. So these are my student and their assignments are there. So they have completed from this 100%. I am able to understand that they have completed this concept. As I have told you that I am using this CK12 for the pre-study material, but and my aim is that at least before coming to the class, a student must be familiar with that concept. They are doing well. They're understanding all the concept, and now you can export this report to the CSV. Now, one question you may have, that I have created these assignments and this course case studies out of the readily available resources of this CK12. But what if I want to teach the equity derivatives or business management or marketing management? Then these subjects are not available in this CK12. So don't worry, CKT will also provide the customized version. If you go to the library, so library basically contain all of your own customized kind of the courses it provides. Suppose I want to create various modality for my course called suppose called business management. So now it's asking me to which kind of the modality. Under this drop down, you can see the various kind of the modality you can create. I want to create a simple reading material for my student. I say save. After saving, it is giving me what kind of the space to add something. So suppose I have added some notes here, note 1 and like that, and I want to add some videos lecture also. So here I can add the video lecture as well. So but it is asking me embed code. So suppose I want to add the YouTube video, simply giving link will not work. So you have to go to the YouTube, and through the YouTube, you if you press the share button, you can click on embed section, then you can able to see this code. Simply you have to add this code to here and press the insert button. It will create this node. If I am clicking on keep as a draft, then you can able to see that video as well as the various nodes here. See, nodes and various videos are available here. Very quickly I have created it. Now, if I want to create the quizzes for my class, so I will again go to the library and I will say create new. I will click on the quiz. Then it will give me quizzes, which is from the question bank. Are you want to create, or you want to create your own? Drop down various kind of the question I can form here. I can write the input here, and I have configure also the have to give the various difficulty level and that. So this way you can create various resources through this learning management software. So I will quickly summarize it. So through this explore, there are the various concepts are there. Through the subjects, you can find subjects from the first standard to plus 12, and some subject from colleges also are available. If you want to create your own subject, then this library is available. You have to type your quizzes, read, library, and button. You can add various interaction to that course also. From the classes, you can add a student to the classes, delete the classes, and promote the classes. So that's all about the CK12 learning management system. So this is all about the learning management system. Give your feedback how you have liked this thing.